Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So after some serious thought, I really gave it some thought, and I decided I'm just going to stay with the 7T for now. I think this is, and reason being is now more reports are coming out of people having problems with the 7T Pro Mclaren on T-Mobile. A lot of network issues. A lot of people now are reporting the same issue that I had with mine. Some people said, just go into the settings and reset the network. But for some of the phones, including mine, it didn't work. And obviously we tried that, but the phone just failed. And there are some, with everything that comes out, there's going to be some units that are messed up. A lot of you guys are enjoying it. You're getting good speeds, or you're getting good speeds, and you're also not having any network issues. So I definitely tell you, go ahead and enjoy it. And it's a good thing. It's a nice looking phone, but I'm not getting that much more. After I thought it through, I'm not getting that much more than my 7T. I've got the same cameras. It just looks a little different. I have a no cutout at the top and a pop-up camera, and it's a different color, and it's 5G. So ultimately it's your choice, but I would tell you, you probably want to think it through, especially if you already have a 7T. The 7T is one I highly recommend to people. It feels much better in the hand. And overall, you're going to get the same experience with that particular device. The only thing that's different on the Mclaren is the 5G, and looks a little different. You get a higher resolution display and all that, but it's minor enough to where, and I still get fantastic speeds on my 7T on 4G LTE. 5G is something that it's I'm not going to say it's not ready. I just don't think we have enough devices to get any real proof. There's only 2 devices on T-Mobile's network right now, and one of them is having major issues. Now the other, the Note 10 Plus 5G, I don't even know of anybody that bought one, because everybody has the Note 10 Plus. And so would you throw all your money back out into the bucket and just to get 5G? And it's not even guaranteed. T-Mobile promises, 200 million people are in the coverage area. But after my little debacle with it, I did a little bit more research, and then I spoke to different people, and a lot of people are not getting 5G consistently, even though they're in the network. And some people are just getting 5G, but they're getting pretty much the same speeds that you can get on 4G. Now, ultimately, though, it's the experience on the network. Some people's 4G speeds or just coverage period has gotten better just from them doing the release of the 5G, because they're putting in low band. They're putting in a lot more LTE low band. So just even if you don't have a 5G device, don't worry. You'll be able to get a 5G device later on next year if you just really want one. But I would tell you, if you have a newer model LTE device, don't be in a hurry to switch out and go to 5G. I think you're going to be really wasting your time. But the Mclaren, again, I gave it a lot of thought, man, and I thought, this is something that I really was ready for it. I purchased it. I got all my money back. That's not an issue. They gave me all my money back. Took a few days, but I got the money back. That's how it goes. And it wasn't so much about the money. It's just that I really wanted to keep that phone. And I can go back and get another one. But honestly, I don't trust it yet. I don't trust it. I don't trust that I'm going to get consistent 5G, even if they give me one that works. And I don't want to get into this loop of going back and forth with the store and technical support, because I don't call T-Mobile for anything. I don't go to the stores or anything if I don't have to. And I just don't want to deal with this right now. So if you have a Mclaren and yours is running perfectly fine, congratulations. That's good. I'm happy for you. I tried it, and mine just failed, along with several other people. But I think the 5G thing, though, it's not overkill. It's not overhyped. It's just this is the first go around, and I think they probably should have went with a different thing than the Mclaren, and I know that the McLaren's nice, but I mean, they should have at least offered up, they should have brought some phones in different tiers to really see what it's about, because there are phones that can run 5G that are not in the 800 series, And it would have been nice to know that, phones are, if we knew the network was going to be launching at the end of the year, start preparing, getting some phones at the beginning of the year that, you feel might be suitable to run on the network, that a lot more people can get out there, because they actually have a lot of plans out there that are coming that are going to be really affordable to pay for 5G, but there are no affordable 5G phones to match those 5G plans that are going to be pretty affordable. So Metro by T-Mobile has 5G also, and with them you get a discount on the phones up front because you're paying outright too. So I would say to those who actually have the Mclaren, once again, congratulations. I know it's a sweet phone. I had it for a day or so, and it was nice, but I won't be going back to it anytime soon. I don't feel it's necessary, and this phone is brand new. I've had it for a little bit of time. I think I bought it at lunch. I'm not even sure, but reality is this is a sweet phone. It's just like the Mclaren with just no 5G. It's kind of strange, but no phone is perfect. It just so happened that that one took a hit at launch. And again, for those of you who are having problems with your Mclaren, list your problems in the comments below and let me know if you've gotten them fixed yet. Because a lot of people have been commenting, hey, have you gotten another one yet? Have you got another one? I gave it some serious thought. So yeah, won't be going back to that. After I thought about it, it is kind of pointless for me to do that because I just sold my 7 Pro and then now I have the 7T, and this phone is just the perfect, it just feels great. It's such a thin and nicely put together phone, and I have a skin for it too. And that's another thing about the Mclaren. Really, that phone doesn't need anything. So it was kind of like it's ready to go. And sometimes I like to obviously skin my devices, and I would have hated to cover up that phone. So that's why I said I was going to get a clear skin for it and just grab a tempered glass for it. But didn't work out that way. So I'm not at all tempted to get a 5G Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Some have asked me that. Nowhere in my mind have I decided to get that, and have no intentions on it. It's just totally not even in my arena right now. I'm not trying to get any more 5G phones that are thousands and 900s, because the OnePlus was $899 plus tax, and that comes to like $976. So the Note is even more. It's $1,300, and I just don't want to sell off a whole bunch of phones just to go get another phone just to say I have 5G, and then the speeds will be the same, and then it's pretty much the same experience. So hey, it happens in the tech world. It works sometimes and sometimes it doesn't, but I do have some other things lined up. I started the year last year with the Mate 20X, and I do have some things lined up. I'm trying to figure out which device I want to start 2020 with, and I think I might have something good. So we shall see. It's different for everybody. Everybody has their own mind of what they think is good and not good, but I'm going to try to start this thing off right. So keeping my OnePlus 7, wasn't never really getting rid of my OnePlus 7T, but I'm going to roll with that's my OnePlus device for now. So hashtag that below if you watch this video. What is your OnePlus device? And just put hashtag that's my OnePlus, and then put what device you have. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.